celebrating making together. So it's paint by numbers with stickers for big groups of people. We have poster kits, which are physical, so it's a poster that's coded, and the kids stick together with stickers and make a picture. So there's a color key, stickers, and a coded key. And then with COVID, we've created a digital version. So the exact same idea, it's paint by numbers with stickers, only now we can have hundreds of people all making the same image together. So they're on their own devices, working on the same image and making it together. So you can have up to 400 people on making it, and it goes really, really fast. It sort of really sparkles to life.
So collaboration across many miles.
Yes.
I love it.
And then we have another product, pixel art, where kids can make their own pixel art, and then they can sticker it. And these are all portraits made on that platform. So they're also individual, but they all go together. It's really quite amazing. So these are kids created pixel art, and then they sticker it. And my last product, which is pretty cool, you see all of these faces up here?
Yep.
They're all were made from the same exact puzzle. One puzzle made all of those. So
Wow.
it comes like this in a box. It comes, those are the pieces there. And I'm going to show you here. See the back, they're all coded.
Yep.
So you take a picture, you get the map on the back of how to place all the pieces, put them together, and you get this. But if you put it together a different way, you get a different face, a different face. So it's as easy as snapping a picture, pushing a button, and you get the image key. So again, we're all about have kids just hanging out together, making things together, creating together, and having some, just sort of casual time together.
But what I like about this last one that you just talked about is the fact that what you're essentially teaching them is algebraic thinking, because they're able to take the same thing and use it in a multiplicity of ways and see it actually manifest in the physical world uniquely, right?
Yep.
Okay,
We actually
cool.
have a fun thing fact. At the bottom of our box is a huge number, huge number.
Yeah.
And this is actually the number. If I stretch this out, it would go like pretty much
All the way to the end of the hallway, yeah.
And these are this is the number of combinations of these 300 pieces.
Wow.
Each piece fits into every other piece in one of 4 directions. So this is a pretty big number. So again, it's sort of teaching,
It's teaching exponents,
Yeah.
right? Because
But
if
it's
you
also-
understand exponents, that's a big number, right?
Yep.
Yeah. That's awesome. Thank you for that.